Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and as you can tell by the title, 10,000 subscribers. So stay tuned until the end. We're going to be kind of reviewing next week's video, but let's get into today's topic. So my word, let's go back and just look at all of this. Let me go right there. So here is the entire length. So boom, that is day one. 5.5 years later. I just absolutely can't believe it. I was actually nervous about when I was at 9,990 and change, and I don't know what I was nervous about. I don't know, but it was really weird, and I just want to make sure you guys absolutely know how much I appreciate it, and I've benefited immensely from our journey together. I learned a long time ago about teaching and instructing that it strengthens your understanding. I just didn't have the nerve when I was starting my Python journey to put it out on the web and on the internet for everybody to see. But you guys have been unbelievably supportive, inspiring, just everything. So let me kind of share what I'm going to be focused on, and I'm becoming very hyper focused on, is we here on this channel, we've been very focused on programming. Well, I've been actually working with a new teammate who's younger than I am and has visualization experience, and I'm sharing SQL experience. But what I'm learning is that there is a huge gap, and I knew it, but I couldn't articulate it. So we're going to kind of work on this together, and it's actually, I'm going to try to weave this into the new CodeDam course that I'm going to be creating. But this question has been posed on the Discord server. So what this is visual representation of stadium seating. So you have rows, and then you have the seat in said rows. So we're going to be beginning to break this down and really focusing on how to problem solve, how to write pseudocode, and then how to form that into whichever programming language you have experience with, because it really does. What I'm learning now with SQL, and I think there's chatter that I'm going to need to start learning BASIC. So what I'm even learning is the pseudocode trumps everything. How would you articulate it and explain it to then write in a programming language? And that, I think, is the gap that I've even been omitting in the explanation, because I think that covers a great deal amount of the material. And we are going to be beginning to focus much on that, because I believe if I can get everyone through to that point, then the Python actually writes itself. That's what I'm working with right now. I've been obsessed with this topic here for probably about 8 days now, and this is really all I've been thinking about. I've gone back to like counting triangles, because I really wanted to go over the Monty Python explanation in a video or two. But we are going to be hyper focused on problem solving and pseudocode, and we'll go into what in the world pseudocode is in the next video, more than likely, before we can even attack this problem right here. But I digress. So I just want to absolutely tell you guys how much, and I want to make sure you all understand how much I appreciate every single one of you. I'm blown away. The way that my son likes to explain it is pretend that you have 10,000 people over your shoulder watching you do a video. And that is an awesome figure to try to grasp how many people that would be. It's very awe-inspiring. Absolutely. So thank you. Make sure you're joining Discord. Great deal of discussions going on over there. Absolutely awesome. Great support. Great admin. Great moderator. If that's not your thing, you want to drop a comment down below, video requests, please go ahead and do that. Hit that like button, subscribe button, notification bell. We are here to get you through your programming learning journey. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.